just acquired this absolutely stunning looking BMW M Sport diesel. Got a lot of extras on the exterior, as you can see, with the body styling and the upgraded wheels. Finished in fantastic blue metallic. So it's got the M Performance and the bottom. Rear park distance control. Have a diffuser. Really has been looked after and drives absolutely fantastic. Boot area is in lovely condition. M Sport sport seats, electric mirrors, electric windows, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, M Sport leather steering wheel, privacy glass to the rear. Lovely car. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.